Today we'll go over the confidence interval using proportions. Now, confidence interval gives you a range to the estimate of the population mean. Now, here we'll basically have a proportion. So it's an estimate proportion of the population. The formula is P plus or minus Z times square root of P times 1 minus P divided by N. So P is basically X divided by N as the sample proportion. Z is the critical value. N is the sample size. Let's have an example. We have a survey that shows that 120 people out of 200 prefer chocolate ice cream. So the formula will be P is equal to X divided by N. So we find the proportion. So it's 120 out of 200, which is equal to 0.6. And now we can use the formula for the confidence interval. So we have 0.6 plus or minus Z square root of 0.6 times 1 minus 0.6 divided by 200. Now Z will depend on your confidence interval. So we are going to go with a 95% confidence. So a 95% confidence has a Z score of 1.96. So if I rewrite, it is 0.6 plus or minus 1.96. Now this part is your standard error. So we have square root of 0.24 divided by 200, which is equal to square root of 0.0012, which is approximately 0.0346, and then times 1.96. So now this is your margin of error. Now you have your Z score here. Now the Z score is influenced by your confidence level. So the higher the confidence level, the higher the range. Now let's just finish this. The confidence interval is 0.6 plus or minus 0.0678. The lower limit is 0.532. The upper limit is 0.668. Lower limit is just 0.6 minus 0.0678. The upper limit is just 0.6 plus 0.0678, which is 0.668. Now just notice I actually round off my answers. So the true population proportion of people who prefers chocolate ice cream is between 53.2% and 66.8%, with a 95% confidence.